An Arkansas State Trooper has just spotted a motorcycle with a broken headlight and no license plate.
It's a motorcycle, no 28.
And just like that, the driver takes off.
1037 northbound on Old Missouri. He's got quite a big jump on him, but he's running emergency hazard still northbound. I can see him a little ways in front of me.
Meanwhile, up ahead, a second trooper is waiting at a traffic light, and it sounds like the biker is headed his way.
Northbound, speed's 90.
And there he goes.
It's a guy with an orange shirt, like a cruiser style with saddlebags.
There's now 2 troopers involved in the pursuit.
Okay, I still see the bike. He just made a corner. We're still northbound, speed's 100.
They've almost caught up with the biker when suddenly the motorcycle turns down a dirt road.
Turned on Apple Blossom.
Turning on Apple Blossom. Left or right.
He makes a left turn at the 4-way, but the troopers are not far behind.
Northbound.
That's the biker right there off in the distance.
10-4, you're approaching a 4-way. If they turn left, it'll go back on Old Fire Road.
Looks like the biker is now turning around.
Just turned around on us. He's coming right at us.
29, 10-4.
He passes the trooper and is now headed straight towards the other trooper.
He's headed back to me.
29, 10-4.
The trooper slows down and begins swerving back and forth, trying to get the bike to stop.
He just hit me.
Now let's see that again. The trooper begins weaving side to side, trying to block the biker from passing. And then the biker plows head on into the front of the patrol car.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Turn around. Turn around. You just freaking hit me. I was almost at a dead stop.
I got this arm. Yes, sir. I got this arm.
Just chill out. Everybody just hang on.
I'm fine.
All right. An ambulance.
1016, yes, please.
They get the biker onto his feet.
You play stupid games, you win stupid prizes.
Can't run from state police, buddy. Can't run from state police.
Turns out he's not seriously hurt. As for the bike, well, that's another story.
What happened? He was coming at me and we were playing this number and I almost come to a complete stop and he hit me head on. Went up on my hood. Almost.